Best Gaming Laptop Cooling Pad Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular laptop cooling pads in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this laptop cooler so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this cooling pad. The one that made our list is the Have It RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. This cooling pad has a large mesh surface which maximizes airflow for optimum cooling. There are 3 high-speed fans inside of this cooling pad which effectively cools temperatures of laptops up to 17 inches. You can change your ambience instantly with a built-in multicolored lighting. It features an ergonomic stand with 2 adjustable height settings to meet your needs, whether it's for working, gaming, or anything in between. The detachable baffle secures your laptop firmly in place so that it doesn't slide off. And there are also 2 extra USB ports for added convenience, right next to an easy access fan speed adjuster. To check out the full specs of the Have It RGB Laptop Cooling Pad and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/laptopcoolingpad. Here's a quick video demo of this cooling pad. So there you go, the Have It RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. Considering its ease of use, its overall functionality, and the quality of the material, we feel that this laptop cooling pad is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Have It RGB Laptop Cooling Pad and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/laptopcoolingpad. Alright, thank you for watching.